If you think this is true, my dear child, then like this video and subscribe to the channel if you consider yourself to be a believer in God. And if you, in Christianity, please help our community by making a great donation. From $50 to $100, thank you. May God bless you, my child. Like amen, my little child. I have witnessed your soul's journey and seen your heart through life's hardships, and I am aware of the weights that you have carried. Every tear, every sigh, and every doubtful moment remains. Unnoticed, you've experienced internal conflicts and the weight of the world bearing down on you. But here you are, still looking for me, still pleading with me for advice, and still desiring the tranquility that only I can provide. In the stillness, I perceive your supplications. In the gloom, I discern the glimmer of your belief even when you, though it could appear like you travel alone, trust that you are not alone. I'm with you every step of the way as you go alone down the valley. My love for you is limitless. I will carry you when your strength fails and guide you when the route seems confusing. It is more steadfast and consistent than the anxieties that keep you up at night. And I'm speaking to you now in this love, despite the concerns that threaten to rob you of hope. The people in your environment have attempted to convince you that you are insufficient, that your efforts are in vain, and that the challenges. These are the voices of doubt. The obstacles you must conquer are too large. And dishonesty are not from me. I have addressed you by name. I have placed gifts, talents, and a purpose far beyond this world's bounds within you. And I keep your unique destiny in mind and resist the urge to let the outside noise overwhelm you. Hear me clearly. Pay great attention, since I'm speaking directly to your heart right now. Waiting for a clue, an epiphany, a message from me. This is it. This is your time. It's your turn, my child. You've persevered and gone through more than most could tolerate. That the time has come for you to accept the calling I have given you to your life, so you don't have to second guess who I am anymore. There is a purpose I have put before you, and I have provided you with everything you need to achieve it. A route that has been planned out for you that leads to blessings you cannot imagine. But it is not a free path. The journey ahead will demand faith, tenacity, and confidence, and do not fear the impediments that I shall encounter. I will utilize my timing. Even though it could feel like a setback, every obstacle serves as a tool for you to grow and shape into the person you were destined to be. Truth, a prelude to something bigger. Believe in my scheme, since I perceive the conclusion from the "You've been wondering why you've been waiting for so long, and I'm taking you to a place of wealth. Wondered why doors stayed locked and chances eluded you, my darling. Every delay has had for your safety. Every closed door has served as a hand-holding what you may have thought to be rejection. I have been working behind the scenes, arranging for you to experience something better. Conditions favorable to you in my time. Everything will work out for your. Now is an excellent time to awaken your spirit, prepare your head, and ready your heart to benefit from what I am about to do in your life. My gifts will be abundant, but you must be prepared to accept them. Get rid of any residual doubts. Let go of the anxieties that have prevented you from moving on, and have faith that I am who I claim to be, your caregiver, healer, guardian, and you are entering a time of favor, and I promise not to let you down. This is not by coincidence. I have been preparing you for the difficulties you have faced right up until this point. Have not been in vain. They have strengthened and molded you. Now is the moment for you to ascend, to grasp the assurances I've given you. Don't back down. Don't question you are my child, and I am happy with the way you look forward to anticipation. Be aware that I'm ahead of you, straightening the crooked road, paving the path for you to enter triumph. The waiting period is now over. For now, move forward with confidence, knowing that I will be by your side every step of the way. You are not traveling down this route by yourself. I am leading, directing, and granting you the ability to make every choice that is in accordance with my will. There will be times when the opponent uses deception and temptation to try to divert you and take you astray, but keep in mind that you are protected. You are protected by my blood, by my grace, and no weapon created against you will be successful, because I have already triumphed, because you maintain your faith and do not waver. I am your stronghold, your haven from the potential storms, and your source of strength. As you move into this new season, remember that you have all you need. Keep your eyes on me, and don't be influenced by other people's viewpoints or the demands of this world. You simply need to listen to my voice. Pay attention, and I'll lead you in the right direction and bestow upon you wisdom. I will take care of you when you need it in ways you can't even conceive. All I want is that you believe in me, that you stay devoted, and that you keep looking me above everything else. My darling child, now it's your turn. You've been dependable, so you are entering a season of change as I open the doors that no man can close. Don't seek for divine alignment, where my promises in your life will come to pass. Look back on the past, but anticipate the future, since the greatest is still to come. Confess that you have been waiting, clinging to the hope that something would change, since you have witnessed others take action. Pondering whether your time will arrive, but now is the ideal occasion to. It's time to acknowledge the season you are in right now. This is a time of change, a supernatural movement, where the things you have been asking God to grant are aligning. I have witnessed your commitment and your strong heart that has persisted even when you seem to be in an unstable environment, and now I'm taking you somewhere. Of safety, a location where the earth will be solid under your feet, where the you won't be shaken by the winds of change, because what I have in store for you goes beyond only a single prayer answered, but the result of numerous ones. I have witnessed your aspirations, even those I am aware of your heart's cries, even the ones you have held deep inside and have not expressed. And I have been in contact with them. They have communicated with me, and I have been formulating the ideal reply. What I'm about to do for you will amaze not only you, but also those around you. Don't get tired of doing it. Fortunately, you are about to make a breakthrough that will bring joy to the sadness, clarity to the confusion, and wealth to the areas where you've been abandoned. Your trust has been put to the test, yet it has grown stronger. And now that the season is here, I'm urging you to walk bravely in the assurance that I've already created a path where none appears to exist. You're starting a new phase that will need you to let go of the weight of the past, because there are things you've been clinging on to. Thought to be essential, but I'm pleading with you to relieve the burden of, with remorse. Let go of the weight of disappointment and enter the realm of freedom. Thing results from having faith in me. As you let go, you create space for what I'm putting in your hands, and what I am offering you is much more than what the path you have been on could ever fathom. You have come to this point because each step was required to get you there, so don't hate the process, for the strength you've earned is exactly what has prepared you for the gifts that are going to manifest. The knowledge you have gained and the lessons you have experienced will all be useful to you as you embark on the next phase of your life. Remember that nothing is wasted in my kingdom, not even hardships or obstacles. Every tear has been utilized to help me have more faith and trust in myself and the closed doors. You no longer need to worry about the past, since I'm opening new doors that will lead to opportunities that you never even dreamed were attainable. But these newly available avenues demand discretion, because not every eye will present you with an opportunity. So you must remain near me, pay attention to what I say, and ask for my advice in every. I'll offer you clarity on your choice, but you have to be willing to follow my example. Even if it defies the innate belief that I am guiding you toward the best course of action and that I know what is best for you, there will be moments when you feel unsure of the completeness of that plan. When things seem confusing, don't give in to dread, since it's not from me, and it won't merely act to skew your perception and take your tranquility. Instead, come to me, for I am your refuge, your fortitude, and your unwavering assistance throughout difficult times. I will be your haven when life's storms blow through, and if you ever feel lost, I will be the beacon that returns you to the route I have laid out for you. As you proceed, you will come across resistance. There will be people who try to demotivate you or lead you by doubting your route. Lead you wrong, but don't let their words fool you. You know the voice of your shepherd, and it's mine that I will lead you, keep you near, and shield you from the enemy's traps. Protected by my grace, and every weapon used to harm you will be defeated. I've planted a hedge of protection surrounding you, which nothing may breach without my consent. We'll also have times of extraordinary favor. At times, the rewards arrive so rapidly that you scarcely have time to process them at that point. Do not forget to express gratitude.